Hey everyone, so I'm going to do this. I was going to do it with the teal color, but I decided to use the purple because when I put them next to each other, this is nice. It looks like a teal, but it was just like purple galore. When I swatched them together, it goes with the purple. I had to cut my nails out again. I use this, which is BR. Blue red, I guess. I'm gonna go with the transition color first. Let's put that there. Sorry, was I out of frame? I'm so sorry. I'm going to put that white cream color there, that creamy color. Trying to get those edges blended out. I'm thinking that purple color might be kind of dark. This is the Milani. I can't read it, sorry. My eyes are getting worse and worse. See, now it looks blue, but when I was doing it yesterday, it looked aqua. It looked turquoise. Ugh. It looked purple. But it's got like the teal. It just didn't look right over the teal color when I was practicing with it last night. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. While I was doing my makeup, I had what I believe was the beginning of an anxiety attack or a panic attack for absolutely no reason. But I really wanted to get through this video. I did the makeup. So, anyway, I first wanted to show you that when you look at this, it looks like it's teal, but when I'm this way, it looks blue. It looks like a blue purple color. So that's why I had decided to use the purple. But yet when I hold it up that way, it looks like a teal. And it always looked teal to me, and for some reason, when I was testing these out on my hand, this way it looks teal, but when I look at it from here, it looks blue. So that's why I decided to go with the purple. Another thing is I put 3 coats on this one because my eyeliner got away from me and went into my eye, into my eyelid. So I reapplied this and it dried and removed the eyeshadow. So I had to like go back in with the purple and just press in there in those patches. So be careful of that. But regardless, I use the purple instead of the teal, and I really, really like it. The only thing is that purple, I thought it'd be a good lid color, but it is very, very dark. So it did kind of look a little strange. So I put that transition color instead, and then I used Don't Flutter Yourself for my blush. And like I said last week, I'm gonna do this again, but I want to use real glue. This is, I don't even think they have these anymore, the BS Star glue sticks. So I already use, these are the, I think, Pop Rocks, I forgot what they call them. It's the new Rock Glam or whatever from Black Radiance. And I got the rose gold. I'm going to use the glue stick. And now to use the glitter. Let's see how this goes. Oh my goodness, it's really hard to, like, I keep going out of the line here. A little easier to control when you're doing the top color. Oh my goodness. Not really crazy about that. Oh my goodness. OMG. This is just something you do for fun because it feels awful on the lips. OMG. So yeah, this is the finished look. I don't know. I said last week I got this rose. At least that's what it's called on NYX. And because it doesn't really have the name here. And I got my older gold from NYX. But OMG, what a mess. The older containers for the glitters for NYX are horrible. And when I opened it, it just poured out of the sides. So, that's going to be a mess. But I was thinking of trying that next time. So yeah, this looks like they took red and gold glitter and slapped it together. So it doesn't exactly look like a rose gold to me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you using it with a real glitter glue. At least it was a glue stick. I felt that would be more comfortable because this is very drying. But everybody who doesn't use a matte liquid lipstick, or at least what I've seen online, sorry, I have to take deep breaths. Then they always use actual glue, the liquid glue, and I don't know, like, I don't know if they wait for it to be tacky, but I was like kind of like black about it. And then I said, why not use a glue stick? You know, it's a stick like a lipstick. It probably wouldn't feel as bad, and it doesn't actually. This didn't bother me putting it on. Putting on the glitter though, OMG. Yeah, this is like for like a party, I think, just to have fun. If it wasn't so uncomfortable, I might want to wear it for every day, but I don't. I mean, it's just not comfortable. I think it's more like for a party or just for fun. So yeah, next week I'll move on to the next eyeshadow palette.